Welcome back, friends. Today's topic is how to use the index and match function in Google Sheets for the two-dimensional lookup. First of all, let's understand the data and requirement. Here in this first table, I have the information of different products name and their quantity sold in different stores. My requirement here is to fill this second table with the information of quantity sold for the products given here and for the stores given here. And in the second table, the position of the product name is not same with the source data, and also the position of store name is not same with the source data. In this case, we have to look up these products here in this product name range and the store names here in the store name range. Then pick up the result from the intersection point of the matching values. So here we can use the combination of index and match to get the detail of quantity sold. So here in this cell, press equal to, then type the index function, open parenthesis. In the reference of the index function, select this source data table. Then lock this table by pressing the F4 key in the keyboard, which will apply the dollar symbols. Put a comma. In the row parameter of the index function, combine the match function. So put here match, open parenthesis. In the source key parameter of the match function, select this store name, then lock this row number 6 by pressing the F4 key 2 times in the keyboard, which will apply the dollar symbol before the row number. Then put a comma. In the range, provide the range where you want to search this store A. So select this store name range of the source table, including the first column. Then lock this range by pressing the F4 key, put a comma. In the source type, put 0 for the exact match, close parenthesis, then put a comma. In the column parameter of the index function, combine another match function. So put here match match, open parenthesis. In the source key parameter of the match function, click on this first product name of the second table. Then lock this column I by pressing the F4 key 3 times in the keyboard. Then put a comma. In the range parameter, select the product name range of the source table, including the column header. Then lock this range by pressing the F4 key in the keyboard. Put a comma. In the source type, put 0 for the exact match. Then close the match function with a parenthesis. Close the index function with another parenthesis. Then press enter. Here you see the result is given as 19 because the sales of heater in store A is 19 unit. Let's check this here. The quantity sold is 19 unit here in the source table. Now you can use the fill handle to drag the formula to right and drag the formula to down this way, and all the information of quantity sold is filled here in the second table from the first table. Now let me explain how this index and match function combination is able to get the information of quantity sold from this table. Here in this cell, let me use the index function equal to index, open parenthesis. In the reference, let me take this source table, put a comma. In the row number, let me put here 3, put a comma. In the column number, let me put here 4, close parenthesis and press enter. Here you see the result is given as 29. This result is picked up from this cell because this cell is in the third row and fourth column of the source table. So the index function will pick up the value from the intersection point of row number and column number provided in the formula, because in the formula I have provided 3 as a row number and 4 as a column number, and this result 29 is picked up from the intersection point of third row and fourth column of this source table. And the role of the match function here is to provide this row number and column number. In this cell, let me use the match function. Press equal to, put match, open bracket. In the source key, let me select on this store A, put a comma. In the range, let me select this store name range of the source table, put a comma. In the source type, put 0, close parenthesis, press enter. The result is given as 6, which is the column position of the store A here in the source data table. This store A is in the 6th column. So the match function provided the column number for the index function. Similarly, In this cell, let me use the match function. Press equal to match, open parenthesis. In the search key, let me click on this refrigerator, put a comma. In the range, select this product name range of the source table, comma, put 0 for the exact match, close parenthesis and press enter. Here you see the result is given as 3 because the row position of this refrigerator here in the source table is the row number 3. Now these two match function will provide the row and column parameter of the index function, and the index function will pick up the value from the intersection point of the row number and column number provided. So this is how we use the combination of index and match function in Google Sheets for the two-dimensional lookup. If you want to practice this, you can get this sample data file from the link attached in video description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, consider subscribing the channel to get similar kind of video updates in future. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next tutorial.